Hi everybody, welcome back. We're continuing with our sweet strawberry basket. So I've got the first two buckles adhered onto the front of the basket. Now I'm just going to go to the back, add a little more glue. Just like that. Just checking to make sure that we are live again. There we go. Hey Kelly. Okay, so just going to bend this around and hold that in place. There we go. All right, so here's how it's looking so far. Very cute, but now we're going to dress up the outside a little bit. Okay, now let's see, which do I want for my front? I think I like this one. All right, so I'm going to grab some of these beautiful vines that I cut out using the dies. And I have my flowers, a couple of leaves, and my thank you sentiment. And what I had in mind was to take these vines, and I'm just going to snip them down so that they're a little bit smaller, which is very easy to do. And I thought I would just sort of lace those over the tops of the straps like so. So again, using just a few dots of glue, and I'm just going to use the glue on these two larger leaves, here and here. Wrap that around there and hold that in place for a minute. Oops. There we go. I think that's on. And do this one. Taking a little bit longer to dry today because it's slightly humid outside. That should do it. Now I'm going to trim off this one leaf because I know that there's glue on there where I don't want it. I'll just wipe that away just a little. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to use my tiny mini dimensionals on the larger of the flowers. I'm just going to make a little arrangement near the top here. I'm going to bend these petals a tiny bit just to curl them up. And I'm going to add a couple of these leaves. Slip that under there like so. And I think I'll also add a little bit of this vine trailing down a bit just to tie into the top piece. I'm going to trim that. Maybe a little bit more. I really am kind of excited about this vine die. I see a lot of this in my future crafting projects. There we go. Now I want to add my rhinestones, these little gems, to the center of those flowers. So I'm using the smallest of the selection here. And I'm just going to grab that, put that right there. That one over a little bit. Okay. Make sure that this is all sticking down. Okay, so that is my little thank you basket, and I'm just going to slip this in for now in case I decide to change that out for a happy birthday or a different sentiment. But I just want to give you the idea of how that all looks together. I didn't need these little flowers after all, but there is our cute 3D strawberry basket. Now you could add more to the back if you'd like, and I might do that afterwards, but I think I've kept you long enough, and I just wanted you to get inspired to mix and match and use some of the materials and supplies that you may have in your stash. There's no reason why you can't still use them. And I thought that these really came together nicely using the basket embossing folder along with all the other elements. So the special that I have coming up that I want to quickly mention to you is I'm going to be offering a special class, and you are going to be getting some of this retired paper. This is the Berry Delightful DSP. So you'll be getting a half a pack of this paper. You'll be getting the Berry Blessings stamp set, which was also a celebration item, which is no longer available, that features all these beautiful blueberries and raspberries. And you'll be getting a small bloom punch. And I'll have a lot more about this special class coming up. If you're interested in learning more about it, please go to my website at dandelioncottagedesign.com and subscribe to notes, and you will be on the list to receive an invitation. And when you get that invitation, you're going to want to act fast, because there's only limited seating for this particular class, because I only have a few of these items left. So that is the project for today. That's my announcement. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and get outside to your garden. Get yourself some strawberries. Let's see if I can set this up so you can see it a little bit better. There you go. And have fun with these wonderful materials. Stay well, stay happy, stay creative, and I will see you next time.